Good morning, Bay Area. This is your Bay Area mortgage planner, John Payne, and this is the RateWatch Now daily update report. Happy Monday, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend. Here's a snapshot of the mortgage-backed securities market on Friday. Still a little profit taking here, and as you can see, we started to inch back up near the end of the day. What's going to happen today? I have nothing to make rates go up, and I have nothing to make rates go down. There's no news today, but this is a huge news week. We have GDP coming out, personal income and spending, construction spending, just a ton of news, consumer confidence. All this news are big market swingers, big market movers, so stay tuned for that throughout the week. Here's what the market has done so far today. We had a nice gap opening this morning, and you can see how trading has been going today. You can see how lenders are reacting to it being no news. So now we're just riding straight technicals today. And you can see that we have 20 lenders that repriced for the better by 14 basis points. Here's your huge gap opening for today. You can see on Friday we did exactly what I thought we were going to do. We came down and not only tested the trend line, but we also tested the bottom support level. And remember, I said that at 102.6, it would be important to try to hold the support level, because if we didn't, we'd come all the way down to 102.20. So I'm glad we didn't do that. I'm glad we held the line. Now here we are today, and I do think that we're probably going to go back up and test this upper limit. Now, barring the news, remember, I'm still bullish long-term on bonds, and I don't think that we are anywhere near out of this current economic crisis that we find ourselves in. So this big news coming out, I don't think that it's going to be all too positive. But so saying that, I do believe that we're going to be moving up towards the upper limits here. Again, that's barring the news that's coming out this week. On a longer term, same thing. We can break out of this pattern at any time based on the news. But I do believe that we're going to be heading for the upper limits here. In summary, no news or Fed speak today. Lots of news beginning tomorrow. We held the 102.60 support level. Yay, I'm really happy about that. And we held the trend line. So those are two positive things. Pending news should move up towards top of the trading range. And we have a huge news week coming out this week. Now, we have so much news coming out. This is important. We could actually see 1-point movements throughout the week, depending on how the news is. So it's going to be a pretty good ride this week, to say the least. That's all I have for you this Monday, Bay Area. Make it a great day. If you know of anyone that could benefit from my morning update reports, please pay it forward. Until tomorrow, Bay Area.